Good afternoon, class. Thank you. You can sit down. All right, then today we'll continue the new topic on sets. We'll be looking at subsets. Okay, I just want to review what we have done so far on this topic before we continue to look at the homework that you were given. All right, can someone come and write on the board what symbol we use for if some, say for instance, if I write set, okay, like this. Okay, if I wanted to say 1, 2, and 3 are members of set A, what symbol do we use to mean that 1, 2, and 3 are members or are elements of set A? Can someone come and write on the board the symbol used to mean members of or elements of? Vui. Come. Okay, this is the one that's the symbol that is used to mean elements of or a member of. What symbol do we use when we mean it's not an element of? Or it's not an element. What symbol do we use, Kyle? Good. This symbol means it's not an element of the set. Okay, what symbol do we use to mean an empty set? Okay, first of all, there are two of them, two symbols to mean an empty set. Okay, I want two symbols to mean an empty set. First one, Chutaili. Good. This symbol means an empty set. Give me another, come and write another one. Miriam. Oh. Okay, good. You know by now that these two braces or brackets mean a set. If nothing is inside, then it means an empty set. What is the other word that is used for an empty set? Natasha? Mike? Null. Okay, null. So an empty set is the same as a null set. Okay, we'll continue from there. First of all, we have to complete the homework that you were given, and it was questions 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Questions The question says, state which of the following statements are true. Number 6 reads, 7 is an element of a set of prime factors of 63. Is this true or false? Agnes?
It's true.
It's true. Okay, first 7 is a prime number, and it's a prime factor of 63. Siegfried, number 7 is called a fish.
True.
True. Okay, a cod is the name of a fish. Is 24 not an element of a set of multiples of 5? 24 is not an element of a set of multiples of 5. George. True or false?
True. True.
True? Okay, true. 24 is not a multiple of 5. Gabriel Chakumai. Is a hexagon a quadrilateral? Or hexagon is an element of a set of quadrilaterals?
False.
False. Hexagon is not a quadrilateral. Is an octagon a polygon? Geno? Okay, an octagon is not a polygon. It says, my question was, is it a polygon? Is an octagon a polygon? Geno? Answer my question first. Is an octagon a polygon? Yes. So this one says an octagon is not an element of a set of polygons. Is it true or false? An octagon, is it true or false? False. Be confident a little bit. Just because you see my face a little bit funny. Be confident. Okay. The next thing we'll look at is subsets. I hope you've read your textbook because this is new. Hopefully it's new. You need to read, and also you have to write all the notes that you can get. All right, because because this is new, I've got to put it all on the screen. I don't have time to do a chart and then put it also on the screen, so I'll just do one. So you've got the book there. And those of you who don't have the book, I photocopied it for you, so you have no excuse. So I'll just go through this. 135 is a subset of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Because each of the 3 elements, 1, 3, 5, is also an element of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For instance, if we are talking about a set that involves 11p class, okay, then it means that Ponrele would be a subset of 11p because he's part of this class. Clear? That's what this is talking about. So the symbol, this symbol is used to denote that one set is a subset of another. And if you cannot see it from the screen, the symbol is this. Okay, this means a subset of. Okay, then it goes on to say that symbol is used to denote that one set is a subset of another. Thus, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. Okay, and 1, 3, 5 is a subset of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is that clear? Good. These two statements could be written this way. 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, 5 is a subset of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, in other words, 3 is a member of the set 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, 5 is a member of the set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, but it's important that you know that this symbol means a subset of. All right, continuing. to the next part. Out of the set 7, 8, 9, we can either select no elements, 0 elements, 1 element, 2 elements, or 3 elements as follows. Okay, A represents an empty set, B 7, C 8, D 9, E 7 and 8. Right, this means that, for instance, part B, 7 is a subset of 7, 8, 9. 8 is a subset of 7, 8, 9. Okay, even for the null set, that means 0 elements, we can also select that. And 9 is an element of 7, 8, 9. Is that clear? All right, that's what we're talking about here. And letter F, 7 and 9 are subsets of 7. That's a subset of 7, 8, 9. The set 8, 9 is a subset of 7, 8, 9. And H, 7, 8, 9 is a subset of 7, 8, 9. So, in other words, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets that can be formed from one set. Clear? So it is possible to form 8 subsets from 7, 8, and 9. Note that every set is a subset of every set. In other words, okay, 7 is a subset of 7 and 9, something like that. Okay, 7, 8 is a subset of 7, 8, and 9. The sets letter B to G inclusive are called proper subsets. Because if we say A is a subset of 7, 8, and 9, but it is not a proper subset, because there are elements there, but still we can say that we can get an empty set from 7, 8, and 9. For every set, we can get an empty set. 7, 8, and 9 cannot, it's a subset, but it's not a proper subset because 7, 8, and 9 is the original set. Clear? So the proper subsets are B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. But a null set, in every set you can get a subset. Sorry, an empty set. So A and H, although they are subsets, they are not proper subsets. Please understand that. Okay, and I've explained why. Right, we'll go on. If there are n elements in a set, for instance, if I write a set 4, 6, 8, and 10, okay, if this is a set, it says that the number of subsets that can be formed is given by the formula n equals 2 to the power of n. Okay, and it explains from the previous set that we looked at, 7, 8, and 9. So in this case, if we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, the number of sets that can be formed will be equal to 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 to the power of 4. So that means that 16 subsets can be formed from this set. Okay, we'll just go through it so we are not following only what's in the book. Okay, it says the first set will have to be an empty set, always. All right, the second set will be 4. Clear? The third set is going to be 6. All right, the fourth set is going to be 8. Fifth is going to be 10. All right, the sixth set is going to be 4 and 6. the seventh set is going to be 6 and 8. Maybe we'll begin with 4. 4 and 8. And then the next set is going to be 4 and 10. Next set is going to be 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8, and then 6 and 10. How many have we got now? Okay, next set is going to be 8 and 10. We haven't finished. And then L is going to be 4, 6, 8. L, M. 4, 6, 8, then 6, 8, and 10. Okay, 6, 8, and 10. What next? 4, 8, and 10. And then, okay, letter O, 6, 8. Now we've got 6, 8, and 10 already. 4, 6, and 10. Four, 6, and do we have 4, 6, and 8? Yes. Okay, the last one. 4, 6, 8, 10. Is that 16? Okay. And OP. Okay, so there are 16 sets, and it's always 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the power of n, the number of sets, the number of elements in the set. So it's 2 raised to the power of the number of elements in the set. Clear? Okay. Imagine if there were 15 numbers and you would have to list all the sets, all the subsets. That means it will be 2 to the power of 15. Okay, so in the set 7, 8, and 9, there are 3 elements, and the number of subsets can be formed by n equals 2 cubed, which is equal to 8, which agrees with the number of subsets formed above, which is that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets. All right, the symbol, this symbol can be used the other way around. All right, so if C is the set 2, 4, 6, and 8, and D is the set 2, 6, we can write, instead of saying D is a subset, okay, D is, so that it doesn't look like C. Okay, if D is a subset of C, instead of saying D is a subset of C, we can say this, C, and we turn this around. It looks more like a U, which means C contains D. Clear? Okay, instead of saying D is an element, sorry, D is a subset of C, we can say C contains D. Is that clear? Okay, next, equality. The order in which the elements of a set are written does not matter. So if a set contains 1, 3, 5, and 7, it's the same as if written as 5, 3, 7, 1, or 1, 7, 3, 5. So long as it's exactly the same elements in the set, then they are equal. If their elements are identical, it doesn't matter which order they come. Clear? Okay, so if A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and B is 8, 6, 8642. B is a set of numbers 8642. Then the elements of A are identical to those of B. And so A is equal to B. If two sets are not equal, we use the symbol not equal. You know that sign, meaning not equal to. And if X is 3579 and Y is 2468, then X is not equal to Y. Okay, very simple. Now you have to do the exercise based on subsets. I'm going to do maybe 1C, and then I'll do another example in another question because I don't think it's written very clearly. I'll explain it first. Okay, number 1. A is the set 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. It says list the subset whose members are. Okay, from the set, you have to list. So letter C says all the prime numbers in A. You have to list all the prime numbers in A. So this is example 1, letter C. Kila, we have to list all the prime numbers in A. This is just an example. What are they? Pastor Mike, please.
3, 5, 11,
3, 5,
11,
11,
13.
and 13. Okay, 3, 5, 11, 13. 3, 5, 11, 13. Okay, 7 is not there. So he is correct. These are all the prime numbers. So this is a subset of A. Okay, this is the one I need to explain. Below are 8 sets. Connect appropriate sets by the symbol, the subset of, okay, the symbol that's given. Number 1, there A gives natural numbers between 1 and 24. B is all cutlery. C, all footwear. D, letters of the alphabet. E, a boot and a shoe. I don't know what the difference is. F, I, O. A, E, I, O, U, the vowels. G, 2, 4, 6, 8. H, knife, fork, and spoon. Okay. This is what you do for that question. Question 6. I'll just do one of them only. Tell me which of those is a subset of which one? Yes, Siegfried. Just so that we do one example so you know what to do. Siegfried.
G is a subset of A.
G is a subset of
A.
A. Good. Because 2, 4, 6, 8 are natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers, and they are included in the set natural numbers between 1 and 24. So that's what you do. Clear? Okay. You have 5 minutes to do the rest of question 1. I did C, question 2, and maybe question 3. Okay, please use this type of brackets, not the straight ones. Because you know that in mathematics you use these ones to identify coordinates. So they're different. Okay, so don't use this because this you normally use for coordinates. This one specifically is used for sets. They're two different ones. So get used to using this. Okay, let's just look at the first three questions. Question 1, a subset, sorry, not a subset. A set A is given. It contains the numbers 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. We have to do A, B, and D. Okay, for A, all the odd numbers of A, that's easy, 3, 5, 9, 11, 13, and 15. All the even numbers of A, that will be 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 8, 10, and 12. Prime numbers we've already done. That's 3, 5, 11, and 13. All the numbers in A that are divisible by 2, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Those are the same as the even numbers. Okay, number 2, we'll have to start from Esther. First, we have to form all the subsets of B. Okay, all the subsets of B. Okay, as you say them, I'll have to list them down on the board so that the other person does not repeat the same one. Okay, Esther, the first one.
Empty set.
The empty set. Okay. Second one, Raylene. So you stay.
5.
5. Yes. Next.
10.
10. Okay. Next. Daniel.
15.
15. Good. Next.
20.
20. Okay.
5 and
Next.
10. 5 and 10.
5 and 5 and 10. Next.
5 and 15.
5 and 15. All right.
5 and 20.
5 and 20. Next one.
5 and 15. Sorry. 10 and 15.
10 and 15? Did you say 10 and 15? Okay. Gena?
10 and 20.
10 and 20. All right, good. Next.
15 and 20.
15 and 20. Yes. Velma?
5, 10 and 15.
5,
10 and 15.
10 and 15. Yes. Hekwe next.
10, 15 and 20. 10, 15 and 20.
10, 15, and 20. And 15, yes, and 20. 12, 13. Patrick?
5, 15 and 20. 5, 15 and 20.
5, 15, and 20. Good. Next one, Megan.
5, 10, 15, 20.
5, 10, and 20. And hopefully the last one, Livingston.
5, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20.
5, 10, 15, and 20. And there are 16 of them all together. Fifteen sets. Okay, number 3. If A is a set of numbers that is given and B is a set, another set, and C is 3 and 12, state which of the following statements are correct. I'll go through this quickly. Is A a subset of B? No. So that's not correct. Is B a subset of A? No. Is C a subset of A? Yes. Is C a subset of B? Yes. Is C a subset of B and B a subset of A? No. So you should, the correct ones are C and D. A, B, and E are not correct. All right, then for homework, you have to do question 4, question 5, question 6, question 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Okay, I'll photocopy it for you, don't worry. The keyword for today, the keyword to the pilot teacher is subsets. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Foy.
Thank you.
I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying, I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be near you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. It's only a heartbeat away. When I need love, I hold out my hands and I touch love. I never knew there was so much love keeping me warm night and day. Miles and miles of empty space in between us. A telephone can't take the place of your smile. But you know I won't be traveling forever. It's cold out, but hold out and do like I do when I need you. I just close my eyes and I'm with you. And all that I so wanna give you, babe, it's only a heartbeat away. It's not easy when the road is your driver. Honey, that's a heavy load that we bear. But you know I won't be traveling a lifetime. It's cold out, but hold out and do